Welcome back to Cooking with Rashee. Today we're making super quick and easy date rolls that come together in just a few minutes. The best part about this recipe is that there's no cooking, no baking, and no oven required. All we need are a few simple ingredients and you'll have a delicious sweet treat ready in no time. These rolls are naturally sweet, satisfying, and perfect when you want a quick homemade dessert or snack. So let's get started. First, we'll need 1 cup of peanuts and about 1 cup of dates. I like using salted peanuts for this recipe because the little bit of salt really balances the natural sweetness of the dates. That sweet-salty combination makes these rolls extra delicious. Take your 1 cup of peanuts and add them to a food processor. Give them a quick pulse until they are roughly chopped. We're not looking for a fine powder here. You want small crunchy pieces because that texture will make the date rolls even more delicious when you bite into them. Once done, transfer the peanuts into a bowl. Next, take your dates. Make sure to remove the pits if they're not already pitted. Dates can sometimes be a little dry depending on the brand. If that happens, you can soak them in warm water for about 5 minutes, drain them, pat dry, and then run them in the food processor. This makes them softer and much easier to blend. Now add your 1 cup of dates to the food processor and pulse them a few times until they're finely crushed. They don't have to be completely smooth. As long as the dates are soft and broken down, they'll naturally stick together when we mix everything. Different types of dates have different textures. Softer dates will blend into a paste, while slightly firmer ones will stay a bit crumbly. Both work perfectly for this recipe. Dates naturally act like a binder, which means we don't need to add any added sugar, syrup, or butter in this recipe. So once your dates are roughly chopped in the food processor, add them to the bowl with the chopped peanuts. Now start mixing everything together. At first, it might seem like there are too many peanuts, but keep mixing and pressing the mixture together. The natural stickiness of the dates will slowly bring everything together into a soft dough. Once everything is well combined, transfer the mixture onto a piece of parchment paper. Now use your hands to press and shape it into a log. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You can always adjust the shape as you roll. Now this next step is optional, but it makes the rolls look extra beautiful. Take a rolling pin or the back of a wooden spoon and gently press a line along the center of the log to create a small indent. This will hold our chocolate topping. In a small bowl, melt some white chocolate with a little bit of coconut oil. The coconut oil helps the chocolate melt smoothly and gives it a nice glossy finish. Pour the melted white chocolate right into the indent we made. For a simple decorative touch, take some chocolate chips and place them in a small plastic bag in the corner. Dip the bag in warm water for a minute or two until the chocolate melts. Snip a tiny corner and drizzle the chocolate over the white chocolate. Then take a toothpick and gently drag it through the chocolate to create a beautiful swirl pattern. Once that's done, place the roll in the fridge or freezer for a few minutes just until it firms up. After it sets, remove it and slice it into small bite-sized pieces. You'll get these beautiful little sweet, nutty, naturally sweetened energy bites that are perfect for snacks, dessert, or even with a cup of tea. If you enjoyed this quick and healthy sweet recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Cooking with Rashee for more easy recipes like this. And let me know in the comments, would you try this with almonds, pistachios, or maybe even cashews? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next recipe.